the change from the F10 M5s and the F10 5 Series as a whole into the G30 cars was a big change for BMW. We had a bunch of new technologies, a more comfort-related platform, but as I'm fortunate enough to own an F90 M5, it's a very expensive car to be your daily driver. But in this video, we're gonna explore if you happen to have a 540i and you did a valve exhaust package, can you get some of that M5 F90 excitement in your G30? Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. Today, we have the G30 in the shop. It's a 540i. This car is a pre-LCI. It's a 2018 model year. It's nicely set up with these 19-inch wheels and such. By the way, we're gonna bypass this simply phenomenal vehicle here. You're gonna be seeing some universal mufflers on this very soon, so we'll showcase that video. But on the car here, traditional setup from Valvetronic Designs. The car is running the stock downpipe and it does have a mild stage 1 tune. So that's the configuration. Come up front with me. This is how the system comes back. It's a straight 3.5-inch section. It wides and then it runs dual piping all the way back. You've got your large center muffler. Again, it's 5 Series, so we want to make sure the sound is very nice and reserved for when you're daily driving the car with the valves closed. And then when the valves open, it's unrestricted out to the sides. And I think these carbon fiber tips really look nice, complement the black spoiler, and it's a very nicely done 540i G30 project. B58 truly does reign supreme, and you'll see why in this video. Startup, revs, flybys, we do hard acceleration. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are gonna get the good fortune of hanging out with Shane and I inside what might be the perfect daily driver car. Let's see how good the B58 sounds. I'm excited, let's do it.
So dumb.
people. By the way, we haven't wished you a Happy New Year yet. Happy New Year. It's January 2nd. We're enjoying the B58 experience. Now, valves open. Again, stock downpipe. This car does have some software. Getting some nice overrun, which we love.
Valves open. It's still really quiet though in here, you know? Like,
well, it's not drony, which is nice.
Yeah.
Like you're getting a good sound out back. Like that's a really nice raw B58 sound. But excuse me, I'm not getting any unwanted frequencies. If you've been in one of these cars, B58s, with a muffler delete, oh my god, they're so bad. It's so drony, it's so obnoxious. Which I've never really understood why people would do a muffler delete when you can have all the sound and all the benefit, but genuinely no compromise. We know the system is very expensive, and our configuration is as such that we offer the ultimate sound experience without any compromises, but I just don't understand why people do the muffler deletes, because it actually doesn't make the car, it makes the car louder, yes, but you really lose a lot of flexibility and control over your experience.
what I find interesting about the muffler deletes on the B58s is it doesn't, the thing is it doesn't even make it that loud. It's just drony, but then you delete the resonator too, and then it's unbearable.
Yeah, it's really bad. But this system, compared to like some of the others that are on the market, we know there are axle backs available because the midsection in this car is pretty free-flowing. So there are other systems available, but if you really want one system that truly does it all, this is it. I mean, there really isn't anything quite like it on the market. There are other full systems available, but the sound flexibility, listen, I'll put us back in comfort mode. Gone. Like truly gone completely. 1700 RPMs. You get no unwanted sound out back. It is the experience to have. But for right now, we'll do a little bit of valves closed in here so you guys can know what it sounds like. If you're looking at this video, you probably have a 530 or a 540 like this car and you're interested in this exhaust. With the valves closed, we'll give you a little bit of just normal sounds, no drone, no unwanted frequencies, perfect as like an OEM plus. I feel like 15 years ago, if this technology existed, BMW would offer this type of exhaust as a BMW M Performance exhaust. Like you could buy a 540i G30 with the M Performance exhaust, and this is what we all hoped the sound would be. Unfortunately, because of the new way BMW is run and some of the lack of opportunities on their end, they can't offer cool stuff like this. So that's why you guys come to Valvetronic Designs, and we deliver that ultimate experience. That's enough valves closed. I'm gonna open up the valves. I'm gonna stop talking because I'm sure you guys came to this video to not hear someone yap. You wanted to hear sound, so. Again, the pops are not from necessarily the exhaust system, although it amplifies them. The pops are from the software. Listen.
There it is.
Try again. So dumb. Again, folks, stock downpipe on this car, original downpipe. The only modification is a little bit of software and the exhaust package. The software definitely helps make this thing quite rapid. everybody, is the BMW 540 experience cranked up a few notches with the full Valvetronic system. Again, this car using OEM downpipes and just a simple stage 1 flash really cranks up the experience of this perfect daily driver vehicle. You know, this car may be a little bit lower with some wheel spacers, a couple other little mods. Those are always accessories, but the Valvetronic system is the best way to go when you begin your modifying process for your 540 or 530i. The system has been designed and engineered to give enthusiasts the best flexibility and, of course, the best sound. You can hear in this video, the sound is top notch. If you're looking to get an exhaust setup for your 530 or 540i, feel free to check us out at valvetronic.com. Reach out to us online and give us a phone call. Whatever you need, we are here to support. And if you don't happen to have one of these, you've got a fleet of some of these other fantastic vehicles, whether you need an F80 system, an E90, your universal muffler for your Miata or your pickup truck, or your titanium exhaust for your Audi R8. We are here to help, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Maybe that next video, this car may be stage 2, and it might have a downpipe. Catch you then.